Good morning, friends. Today we have to learn special type of equations. The given equations are not linear equations, but the equations can be converted into linear equation in two variables. This is called equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. In last period we have seen what is meant by linear equation in two variables, what is meant by simultaneous equations, and which are the methods for solving simultaneous equations. Then here we have to study equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. बघा आतापर्यंत आपण एक सामायिक समीकरण कसं सोडवायचे हे पाहिलं, त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्या पद्धती पाहिल्या, त्याच्यामध्ये एलिमिनेशन मेथड, सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड, ग्राफिकल मेथड आणि क्रॅमर्स रूल हे सर्व काही आपण पाहिलं. पण काही काही समीकरणं अशी असतात की जे आपल्याला काय करता येतात, दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणामध्ये रूपांतर करता येतात आणि नंतर ती तुम्हाला ती सोडवावी लागतात. या समीकरणाचा दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणामध्ये रूपांतर करून नंतर त्या ठिकाणी त्या सोल्युशन काढल्यानंतर त्या किमती ज्या आपण घेतलेल्या आहेत त्या रिसबस्टिट्यूट केल्यानंतर आपल्याला या ठिकाणी x आणि y च्या काय होतात, किमती मिळतात. सो स्टडी हियर फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल वी हैव टू गिवन हियर 2x 3y is equal to 15, 8x plus 5y is equal to 77. This is not a linear equation in two variables, but we have to convert this linear equation in two variables by taking a proper substitution. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला हे दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरण नाहीये, पण योग्य असं सबस्टिट्यूशन घेऊन त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला त्याचं काय करायचंय, दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणामध्ये रूपांतर करायचं. बघा दिलेली समीकरण काय आहे, गिवन इक्वेशन्स आर 2x minus 3y is equal to 15, 8x plus 5y is equal to 77. या दोन्ही समीकरणाचं जर तुम्ही निरीक्षण केलं, by observing these two equations, we have to same term here divided by x divided by y. Here divided by x divided by y. इथे x ने भाग दिला, y ने भाग दिला. इथे x ने भाग दिला, y ने भाग दिला. मग याच्यावरून आपल्याला प्रॉपर सबस्टिट्यूशन आलं पाहिजे. या ठिकाणी याला जर आपण इक्वेशन फर्स्ट म्हटलं आणि याला जर इक्वेशन आपण काय म्हटलं सेकंड, मग सबस्टिट्यूशन काय करायचं बघा, पुट 1 by x is equal to m and 1 by y is equal to, याच्यामध्ये 1/x बरोबर m ठेवायचं आणि 1/y बरोबर n ठेवायचं. we know that here 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x. It means first term is 2m, 2 into 1 by x, therefore 2m minus 3y, 3y means 3 into 1 by y. This 1 by y goes to m, therefore 2m minus 3m is equal to 50. This is equation 3. Same as in this equation 8 by x means 8m plus 5m is equal to 77. This is called equation. Then the given equations are converted into simultaneous equations. By using any method, we can solve these two simultaneous equations and we have to get the solutions. बघा कोणत्याही पद्धतीने हे दोन्ही एक सामायिक समीकरण सोडवा आणि त्यानंतर त्याची काय काढा, उकल काढा. परंतु हे जे आपण सबस्टिट्यूट केलेलं आहे त्याला रिसबस्टिट्यूट करा. किंवा या ठिकाणी बघा 2m minus 3n is equal to 15, 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. We have to make the coefficient of any variable equal. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला कोणत्या तरी एका चलाचे सहगुणक सारखे करायचे. मग n चे सहगुणक सारखे करूया. याला 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा आणि याला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा. म्हणजे 3 5 चा 15 होईल, 5 3 चा 15. Then right here multiplying equation third by 5 and equation fourth समीकरण 3 ला 5 ने गुणा आणि समीकरण 4 ला कितीने गुणा 3 ने गुणा मग याला जर तुम्ही कितीने गुणलं बघा याला जर आपण काय केलं 5 ने गुणलं तर या ठिकाणी बघा 10m minus 15m is equal to 75. This is called equation 50. And then here by multiplying 3, 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, 3 into 77, 3 7s are 21, carry number 1, 3 7s are 21, carry number 2, here 23. This is equation 6. These are the two equations. बघा समीकरण 3 ला आपण काय केलं 5 ने गुणलं आणि समीकरण 4 ला 3 ने गुणलं हे दोन्ही समीकरण मिळाले या ठिकाणी यांचा सहगुणक सारखा आहे परंतु तुम्हाला माहिती आहे सहगुणक सारखा आहे परंतु यांचे चिन्ह भिन्न आहे coefficients are equal but their signs are different therefore we have to add these two equations by adding equation fifth and sixth. Adding equation fifth and sixth, 10m minus 15m is equal to 75 and 24m plus 15m is equal to 231 plus this is equation 5th and this is equation 6th. Therefore here minus 15 plus 15 minus 15m plus 15m get cancelled by adding these two 34m is equal to 5 plus 1 6 7 plus 3 10 0 carry number 3. 34m is equal to 306. Then 34m is equal to 306. Then m is equal to 306 divided by 34. 17 2s are 34. 17 ones are remaining 13 136 17 8s are 136 then 2 ones are m is equal to 9. This is the value of m. Then we have to calculate the value of m. Put m is equal to 9 in equation 5th. We have to 10m minus 15m is equal to 75. This is the equation 5th. Then 10 into 9 minus 15m is equal to 75. Value of m, by putting the value of m, 90 minus 15n is equal to 75. Minus 15n is equal to 75 minus 90. Minus 15n is equal to 75 minus 90 minus 50. 15n is equal to 50. Therefore n is equal to 15 by 15 is equal to. This is the value of n and this is the value of n. And lastly we have to resubstituting values of m and शेवटी काय करायचं m आणि n यांच्या किमती घेऊन द्यायच्या काय घेतलेले आपण पहा 1/x is equal to m. Therefore 1/x is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 1 by and then 1 by y is equal to here 1 by y is equal to 1 y is equal to this is the value of y. Therefore the solution of these equations are 1 by 9 in this way we have to solve the given equation which are not linear equation in two variable, but we can convert these equations into linear equation in two variable. Therefore it is called equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variable. बघा हे दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरण नव्हते, परंतु आपण याला काय केलं, कन्वर्ट केलं आणि त्याच्यानंतर दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणामध्ये त्याचं रूपांतर करून त्यानंतर त्याचं सोल्युशन काढलं आणि सोल्युशन काढल्यानंतर ज्या व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्या होत्या त्या रिसबस्टिट्यूट केल्या आणि शेवटी या समीकरणाची काय काढली, उकल काढली. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला हे उदाहरण सोडवता येतात. परत एकदा लक्षात घ्या, दिलेलं समीकरण 2x - 3y बरोबर 15, 8x - 5y बरोबर 77. हे दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरण नव्हतं, परंतु आपण त्याला रिसबस्टिट्यूट केलं आणि त्यानुसार त्याचे व्हॅल्यू सोल्युशन काढलं आणि सोल्युशन काढल्यानंतर ज्या व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्या आहेत त्या रिसबस्टिट्यूट केल्या आणि त्यानंतर त्या इक्वेशनचं काय काढलं, सोल्युशन. Then next example we have to take here another type of example. This is first type, but another type of example we have to study here. Another example we have to take here 27 by x minus 2 plus 31 by y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 by x minus 2 plus 27 by y plus 3 is equal to 89. We have to take here given equations are 27 by x minus 2 plus 31 by y plus 3 is equal to 85. Then this is the first equation. Second, 31 by x minus 2 plus 27 by y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is the equation second. Observe these two equations. Which terms are same? In both the equation, in the first denominator x minus 2, second denominator y plus 3. And here, first denominator x minus 2, second denominator y plus 3. Therefore, we have to put here or substitute 1 by x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 by y plus 3 is equal to. This is very important. First take the proper substitution. 1 by x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 by y plus 3 is equal to b. Then forming the equation 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This is called equation third. And then 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is called equation 4. 27 because 1 by x minus 2 is a, therefore 27a. 1 by y plus 3 is b, therefore 31b is equal to 85. 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. These are the two equations. We know that by any method we can solve these two simultaneous equations. But in this equation, this is the special type of equation. Coefficients of a and b and coefficients of a and b are interchangeable. या दोन्ही याच्यामध्ये काय झालंय, a आणि b या दोन्ही चलाच्या जे सहगुणक आहेत त्यांची अदलाबदल झाली. And we know that when we have to solve this type of simultaneous equation, we have to take first addition, then subtraction, and then calculate the value of variables. Therefore, here adding equation third and fourth. (27a plus 31b is equal to 85). 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is equation third and this is equation. Therefore, by adding these two equations, 58a plus 58b is equal to 9 plus 5, 14, carry number 1, 107. By taking 58 as a common, a plus b is equal to 3. This is called equation. 58 as a common means divided each term by 58. Therefore here a, therefore here b. 58 3s are 174. Therefore a plus b is equal to 3. Then subtracting equation 4 by 3. समीकरण 4 3 मधून वजा करायचे. या ठिकाणी बघा 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. Then 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. By subtraction, changing the sign, plus goes to minus, plus goes to minus, this goes to minus. Then by subtraction, 27a minus 31a minus 4a, 31b minus 27b plus 4b is equal to minus. Therefore, taking minus 4 as a common, a minus b is equal to 1. This is called equation 6. Minus 4 taking as a common, therefore here a, taking minus common, this plus goes to minus, a minus b. Here a minus b is equal to 1. These are two equations we have to take. Here a plus b is equal to 3, a minus b is equal to 1. Then by adding equation 5th and 6th. A plus b is equal to 3, a minus b is equal to 1. Plus minus get cancelled. 2a is equal to 4. Means a is equal to 4 by 2, a is equal to 2. Then put a is equal to 2 in equation 5th. A plus b is equal to 3. Therefore 2 plus b is equal to 3. This is equation 5th. B is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore b is equal to a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. These are the two values of a and b. And then we have to resubstitute the value of resubstituting values of a and 1 minus x by 2 is equal to a. It means 1 minus x by 2 is equal to 2. 1 minus x by 2 is equal to a. Therefore 1 minus x by 2 is equal to a. 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 2. This 2 goes to denominator. 1 by 2 is equal to x minus 2. Then 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to x. X is equal to 5 by. By adding these two terms, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by. Then next, 1 by 1 plus 3 is equal to b. 1 by 1 plus 3, value of b is 1. Therefore, y plus 3 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 3. Y is equal to minus 2. These are the two values. Therefore, solution of given equations are 5 by 2, In this way, we have to solve given equations by substituting the proper values or the given equation which are reducible to the linear equation in variables. मग अशा पद्धतीने आपण काय करू शकतो, दिलेली समीकरणं जी की काय करता येतात, दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरणामध्ये रूपांतरित करता येतात, त्यांना या पद्धतीनं सबस्टिट्यूट करून आपण सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. सुरुवातीला सबस्टिट्यूशन केलं, पण हे प्रॉपर सबस्टिट्यूशन करणं खूप गरजेचं आहे, मात्र लक्षात ठेवा. आणि त्यानंतर ए आणि बी च्या किमती काढल्यानंतर पुन्हा शेवटी त्या ठिकाणी त्याचं सोल्युशन. ओके, वी शॅल स्टॉप हिअर.